What if I told you the best trading move you can make is to do absolutely nothing? So in this video I'm gonna show you why sitting on your hands can often be the most profitable thing you can do in trading. Before I begin, I want to let you know in the bio you're gonna find free Discord, free Telegram, and also a free 2-hour bootcamp that I have made specifically for you. If you're interested in that, go down and watch it. Now, before I begin, I want to let you know that in this bio, if you join the Telegram and the Discord, you're gonna be able to connect with other traders and also connect with myself. On average, I'm doing 30k per month net profit with trading. Now, the common pitfalls of overtrading is emotional decisions, right? So chasing setups that aren't there, and also you have higher transactional costs because you have a lot of fees, right? This is the problem with overtrading. Overtrading is like trying to force a car to run on empty gas tank. And what's gonna happen is you're just gonna burn out before you get anywhere, right? So there's a big power in doing nothing. And patience is crucial. You need to wait for high probability setups, and you need to avoid unnecessary risk. You need to be preserving capital for the right opportunities. Just how many times you have heard someone, I'm waiting for the best setup? There's a reason for that. And the best traders know that cash position is a position too. And sometimes the best and the smartest move is just wait for the perfect setup, because you have to know, as long as the market is moving, there's always gonna be another possibility, another chance, another opportunity for you to make money. Now, patience is not passive, it's active, and sometimes you use that time to prepare for the next move. As an example, this is a journal that I use and I am filling every single time that I'm trading. You need to have practical steps of implementing the doing nothing. First is gonna be create the plan. Second is gonna be set the alerts. Third is gonna be review your trades. Fourth is gonna be use a journal. I want you to pause this video now and I want you to read what I have spent my time writing here in front your screen for you. Now, there's a big challenge when you wait. First is gonna be, we're gonna address the difficulty of doing nothing. So when you do nothing, the psychological challenge is that you have that urge to act. You need to be inside, you feel like you want to be acting, and sometimes that's not the only issue. There's a few more main issues. The next big issue in my opinion is going to be the FOMO, fear of missing out the next move, and then there's going to be the fear of losing opportunities, right? These two have, I would say, equal strength, the FOMO and the fear of losing opportunities. Then the next thing is going to be, you need to be focused on the long-term goal, and you need to see this as a business, right? So as an example, on this screenshot I have showed you that I'm actually having my QuickBooks, which I'm writing everything. So that's an example. And visualizing the waiting as a strategic decision, not an inaction. I would say this is gonna help you. So when you wait, you need to be viewing this as a decision, which is part of your strategy. It's gonna help you with dealing with the stress that comes with it. So think about that for a second. Yeah. In terms of conclusion, I would say, remember, in trading, patience is not just a virtue, it's a strategy in itself. So doing nothing at the right times can save you money, energy, and stress. And the markets will always be there. Your job is just to wait for the opportunity that matter and is important for you to take. Not every single opportunity is gonna make you money, so just wait for the good ones. That's what I would say. Thank you for watching and take care.